Hey, Jeff Stravinsky. I thought I'd share the next step here just to show I finished the last step, plus show you how to debug something like that really easily. So let me hit screen share here. How about we go to, I guess we're going to go to my Chrome. All right. And all right, so there is IMC. And here's the lovely thing about IMC is that it's, did discover the device, but first thing you notice right off the bat is it says device model ICMP and it says device category desktops. So what that means was that it was not able to talk to the device using SNMP. So it's at that point just assumes it's desktop. So what we can do is try to figure out why it didn't do that. So the first thing we can take a look at is the SNMP settings in here. So when I first got in here, there was only two little dots right here. So it meant that the read-only community string was just 2 characters. Probably was from a default from prior, and it probably was the word HP, I'm guessing. So anyway, so I put in public, which is what I actually put in that device. And then what you can do is you can go and test. And you see the little spinning thing here goes on and on and on. And eventually it's going to come back and say failure. So since I already know that, I looked it up already. I'm going to go change my screen share here. And I'm actually going to go to a PuTTY session. And you can see the PuTTY session there. And there is the SNMP information up there. There's no SNMP agent. The engine ID, the fact that the read string is public, the right's HP rocks, and then the version of SNMP is v3. So that does not match up with what's in there. So I had set it up for v2 and IMC, and that's just fine with me. So what we're actually going to do here is change this to v2. Actually, I think, I'm trying to remember now. Hold on 1 second. Gotta make sure I have my backspace set correct, which it's not. Keyboard Control H. There we go. So we can do, all right. So, all right, V2 equals VC. So, cool. All right. So, if we do a display current, and we look for SNMP. And there it is. Sports V2 and V3. I could do an undo and take out the V3. We won't care about it for the moment. So what we'll do now is we will go over to HP Intelligent Management Center. We will go share that. We can go test that. Look at that, successfully tested. Hoo-ha! Very nice. Okay, so screen share back to the main screen for IMC. So now that we have that, what we want to do is now synchronize the config, which means that it's going to now go out there, and now that it has the proper SNMP information, it should be able to go out there and rediscover the device, which is a darn good thing. That can take some amount of time, but in this case, it barely took any time. Just took us a few seconds. Once I hit the refresh button, you can see that it came up, brought in the device label, which I'm going to change here in a second. Shows us the device model, shows us the category that's part of wireless. Took all the rest of the stuff here, and we can do all the normal things that we would now do in IMC. So what I'm going to end up doing here is stopping right now, and what I want to do is need to get on to some other work. But the next steps that we're going to do is we're actually going to go upgrade the code on this little guy. This most likely is fairly old code. This system had come. It was in a demo lab, and it was a demo that happened over the summertime. So there's definitely a new version of code that's come out since then. But we'll take you through all that stuff inside of IMC here once I get to that point in time. So with that, we will stop, and I will talk to you later. See you. Bye.